In the silent pages of time, when thousands of prophets have come and gone, carrying the divine message, there remain four chosen ones, who by the will of Allah, are still alive. Their stories are hidden in mystery, wrapped in faith, and guarded by the heavens. These prophets stand as living witnesses of Allah's power, reminding mankind that life and death belong to none but Him. Today, we uncover the remarkable journey of those four prophets, who still walk the unseen paths of this world, awaiting their destined roles. Hazrat Khidr as a mysterious figure, unknown to most, yet mentioned in the Qur'an in Surah Al-Kahf. Hazrat Khidr as is described as a servant of Allah blessed with divine knowledge. His encounter with Prophet Musa reveals lessons that stretch beyond human comprehension. Khidr as is believed to still live by the decree of Allah, guiding those chosen to meet him. Across centuries, countless stories emerge, of sailors rescued at sea, of travelers guided in deserts, and of seekers who claim to have seen a wise man cloaked in green. Whether fact or legend, his existence remains a symbol of hope, mystery, and divine wisdom that never fades. Hazrat Ilyas as a prophet who preached against idol worship among the people of Israel. His mission was filled with challenges, yet his unwavering faith became his strength. Islamic tradition holds that Hazrat Ilyas has never tasted death. Instead, Allah raised him, granting him a life extended beyond imagination. Many scholars describe Ilyas as meeting Khidr as during the sacred days of Hajj, both of them walking among pilgrims unnoticed. Together, they remind humanity of an eternal truth, that Allah preserves whom He wills, for a mission still unfinished. Hazrat Isa as the most recognized among the four is Hazrat Isa as, known in Christianity as Jesus, according to the Quran. He was not crucified, nor was he killed. Instead, Allah raised him to the heavens. Hazrat Isa still lives, waiting for the destined time when he shall return. His second coming is a prophecy written in both Islamic and biblical traditions. He will descend to restore justice, break the cross, kill the false Messiah, the Dajjal, and unite mankind under the banner of truth. His awaited return is not just an Islamic belief but a bridge between nations, faiths, and histories. Hazrat Idris as among the earliest prophets, Hazrat Idris as is mentioned in the Quran as truthful and exalted to a high station. Scholars interpret this verse as his ascension to the heavens, similar to the story of Isa as. Some narrations suggest Idris as still lives in the heavens, worshipping Allah, awaiting his role in the unfolding of divine destiny. His life is a reminder that those closest to Allah are never forgotten, never erased, and never ordinary. These four prophets Khidr, Ilyas, Isa, and Idris are not just names from ancient scriptures. They are living realities, preserved by Allah's will. Their stories form a chain that connects past, present, and future. They stand as witnesses to mankind's struggles, to the battles of truth and falsehood, and to the final hour that approaches. While humanity questions their presence, one truth remains: Allah alone gives life, extends it, and withholds death until His chosen moment. Imagine this world, where somewhere beyond your sight, Hazrat Khidr as walks unknown roads, where Hazrat Ilyas as prays silently for mankind, where Hazrat Idris as worships in the heavens, and where Hazrat Isa as awaits the call to descend. They are not myths. They are reminders that Allah's command transcends time, that prophethood is not a story of the past, but a reality that still breathes from these living prophets. We learn that knowledge, like Khidr's, is not bound by books but by divine wisdom. That faith, like Ilyas's, remains unshaken even when alone. That sacrifice, like Isa's, is honored by Allah beyond death. That sincerity, like Idris's, elevates a man to heights unknown. Their survival is not just about them, it is a lesson for us. To keep our faith alive, to walk in righteousness, and to prepare for the final chapters of this world. These are the four prophets still alive, preserved in the mercy of Allah. Their presence is a hidden reality, a silent proof of divine power. The question is not whether they live, but whether our faith lives within us. For one day, when the time comes, we too shall stand before Allah, just as these prophets have stood faithful in His command. If this story touched your heart, remember to share it. Subscribe to Guided Soul Channel, where the light of knowledge meets the voice of faith.